Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really quick way to mount your iPhone to your windshield, or you could also do your Samsung. It doesn't matter because this mount right here is totally universal, so it works for all phones. So anyway, I'll get right into it. Basically, this guy right here, it's called the Velocity Clip. It's a really cool way to mount for all around your car, anywhere in your car really. So what you would do is you just grab your smartphone, slap it in between these mounts right here, and then you can see it's totally secure, it's not going anywhere. Once you do that, you can simply grab one of these adhesive mounts, stick it on your windshield, your dash. You can even put it on the outside of your car. These guys are really rigid, they won't fall off. Once you do that, you basically just clip it right in and you're good to go. You can totally reverse the shot, or once it's on there, you can actually adjust your angle to 180 degrees. So you can get that perfect sweet spot angle for filming or for GPS, whatever you want to use it for really in your car. So after that, another cool thing you can do is you can literally just flip it over, and then you can grab this suction mount right here, which works really well for car windshields. So once you stick it on there, and it's the exact same mount as this, it's just a different accessory. Once you do that, the advantage of this guy is you could fix it into any location that you want. Find that sweet spot for filming or GPS, tighten it down, you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple way to mount all phones. This guy right here runs about 40 bucks, comes with free shipping. Just check out velocityclip.com, comes with a couple different mounting options. There's also tons of different mounts you can stick any phone into. So check it out online, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.